Welcome to AlJazari channel, where we explore the fascinating world of engineering and manufacturing. Today, we take you inside the seamless pipe production process, a marvel of precision engineering that plays a crucial role in industries such as automotive, construction, and energy. Join us as we uncover the science behind seamless pipe manufacturing and the innovations that make it possible. This facility specializes in the production of high-quality, hot-rolled seamless pipes designed to meet precise customer specifications. Seamless pipe production follows a process that has been refined over decades, dating back to the pioneering work of the Mannesmann brothers. Their revolutionary cross-roll piercing techniques set the foundation for the modern manufacturing of seamless steel pipes. Let's explore how this technology has evolved and is used today to produce pipes with exceptional mechanical properties. The process begins with high-quality steel billets, which serve as the raw material for seamless pipe production. These billets are heated in a rotary hearth furnace to temperatures exceeding 1,200 degrees Celsius (2,192 degrees Fahrenheit). This heating process ensures the steel becomes malleable, allowing it to be shaped without defects. Once heated, the billet enters the piercing stage, where it undergoes the three-roll cross-roll piercing method, an advanced evolution of the Mannesmann process. The billet is rotated and simultaneously compressed by a 40-ton force against a mandrel that forms the tip of a water-cooled holding rod. The rollers grip the billet and set it in a rotating movement. The rollers are set at a defined angle to the longitudinal axis of the mandrel bar. This inclination makes the billet move over the mandrel and roll out, creating a hollow shell while ensuring a uniform wall thickness. This free roll piercing and elongation technique allows for superior material properties and precise dimensional control. After cross-rolling, the mandrel bar is pulled out of the hollow block. Then a transport system consisting of transfer rollers, roller tables and manipulators transports the rolled material to the manipulators transports the rolled material to the main forming unit of the pipe. The hollow shell then moves to the elongation mill, and the workpiece's greatest deformation occurs to achieve the desired diameter and wall thickness. At this point, a driven mandrel rod as an internal tool pushes the hollow shell through up to 16 rollers. The hollow shell is elongated up to 20 times longer than the starting material at the start of the process. The tool and workpiece are separated from each other by a release rolling mill. Before entering the stretch-reducing rolling mill, the pipes are geometrically measured using a measuring system. This results in low eccentricity and uniform wall thickness pipes required by the automotive industry. Here the pipes, which are now up to 16 meters long, are heated in a walking beam furnace to a material-specific temperature. The pipe is turned into the final product in the stretch reduction mill by driven rollers. In each rolling stand, there are 3 driven rollers rotating with a defined speed. The rolled pipe is stretched in length and reduced in diameter. The length of the billet has increased 5 times after stretch reduction. The pipes, which are now up to 92 meters long, are fed to the cooling bed where they are transported to the saws via a lifting rake. The saws cut the pipes to the customer's specified length within the tightest length tolerances. The individual customer specifications for the products are permanently monitored in the material testing laboratory. The mechanical parameters are determined through numerous work steps. Tensile tests form the core of the test. The inspection of the microstructure is part of the quality control process and is carried out in metallography. This ensures the purity of the material. Only pipes that pass thorough quality checks are approved for delivery to customers. Seamless pipes are indispensable in industries that demand high strength, pressure resistance, and reliability. From automotive manufacturing to energy pipelines, these pipes ensure the safe transport of fluids and gases under extreme conditions. Seamless pipe manufacturing is a testament to engineering excellence, combining cutting-edge technology with decades of expertise. Precise control over material properties and dimensions makes these pipes an essential component of modern infrastructure. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AlJazari channel for more deep dives into the world of engineering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of engineering.